course, some bundles to slay. This is Nadula's Brazilian Natural Wave. I'm applying 16, 20, and 22 inches of luscious bundles.
I love this hair. This hair feels so soft and so good. This is the 100% Brazilian curly hair. This is natural hair, y'all. You can do it anything with. You can wash it, blow dry it, straighten it, curl it again, put product in it. You can do whatever you want. So ladies, if y'all looking for some bundles, honey, the link will be in my mother freaking description. Yeah, it's by Nadula.